got a feeling. Perks help me feel it. I feel it. Problems.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video, guys. This is your boy Marco coming at you, and your boy Alvin. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, today we bring you another hydro dip video. Now, as you guys can see from the title, today we're going to be attempting to do the Vans Lowe's, the Skull and Supreme collaboration. So we got our little, last time we did it a little bit unprofessional. A lot of you guys said it was ass and booty cheeks, and you know what? It wasn't too bad. We're actually, I'll show you the shoes for everybody that hasn't seen it. So last time we tried to attempt to do a hydro dip video, this was the result. We tried to do a Supreme S logo Air Force One kind of like colorway. A lot of people liked it, but a lot of people said it was booty cheeks. Today we decided to kick it up a notch, and we actually bought ourselves the actual hydro dipping film, which we're really excited about. Now, this is not the exact skull from Supreme, but it's a very similar colorway. Yes. And guys, we're actually gonna be going to New York City. Yes, New York City on August 25th for an event called Sneaker Games. Now, I really want you guys to actually go. If you do guys want to go, guys, I have a really cool
If you
guys do want to go, I do have a discount coupon for you guys. I told the guy, I'm like, hey, give me a little discount for my viewers. So if you guys live in New York City, please go to this event because we really want to see you guys. We're also going to be part of the celebrity basketball game there, and we're going to have a meet and greet. For $5 off your purchase, that will be in the link down below. Also, guys, before we start this video, we are doing a Travis Scott Low giveaway.
So do not forget to enter, guys. The steps to enter are you have to subscribe, like the video, you have to subscribe to Kick's YouTube channel. It will be in the link description down below. Plus, you have to follow us on Instagram. We will be doing the giveaway live on Instagram,
yes,
guys.
We'll mention the giveaway date very soon, but after you guys are done with all those steps, don't forget to put your Instagram at down below. Today, guys, we decided, like I said, we're gonna be doing the Vans. And guys, remember, if you guys do want to do this, we're gonna show you all the steps. But if you guys
we're also gonna leave a link in the description down below to all the items that we did use. To go ahead and start these custom hydro dips, we're gonna go ahead and tape these up. For these, it's gonna be pretty simple, actually. It's just gonna be taping off the bottom and taping off the little Vans tab, just so we have the Vans tabs all white, because on these shoes they are all white. Alright guys, tape job is done on these ones.
Guys, so now that we finally finished masking and doing everything, which actually took a while, this process is a little tedious, but for everybody that wants to go ahead and do it, guys, this is how it should come out. You want to cover the top, you also want to cover the sides and the little Vans flap right here. But without further ado, we also, as you guys can see, we did cut the tape. You do want to make sure you do it on the right side. So the right side, the uglier side, like the more faded side, should be on the back, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go ahead and place it inside and see how this is gonna come out. Alright, next we're gonna get our Hydrovator, like Phineas and Ferb, you remember those days?
The Mimanator! The mountain out of a molehill-nator!
Who says that?
Heinz Doofenshmirtz.
Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz!
Like your lizard!
Gecko!
You should get him.
He's a gecko. Get it right.
He's a lizard. Alright guys, so after you... Where's the spray?
Pause.
It broke. Okay, so the little spray thingy fell, but as you guys can see, we're not professionals, so... Alright guys, also do not forget to put your gloves on, because last time Mr. Alvin forgot to put it on, and it was a mess to try to get the paint off. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start spraying. Also put a mask on. I don't have one right now, but... Also make sure that there's no bubbles. And there's not. That's perfect.
Beautiful.
So, we're ready to go. Come out and show them real quick the top, how it should look. It cannot have wrinkles, it cannot have bubbles.
It will stretch out a little bit,
Yeah.
so do not be afraid of the stretching.
All right, ready?
Let's do it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the shoe. Let's dip. Cut! Alright guys, round 2. As you guys can see, we kind of messed up on the first time, but it's okay. We did scrub it off, but we're gonna try again and see if we can do it better this time. Alright guys, so we put it back in. Let's go at it. Hopefully this will work this time. This is a total fail.
Alright guys, so since we messed up with the Vans, which we really did mess up, we're gonna go ahead and hydro dip these Air Forces, but I'm gonna do them a little bit different, so it's gonna be really, really fast. There's gonna be no waiting. Let's go. In there, you take the solution, spray it down, spray it down, spray it down, spray it down, spray it down. You take the sneaker. I did apply acetone, so don't worry guys, this is ready to go. There's a bubble. And you did.
You did it wrong.
No, I didn't.
But it looks doper. Something that I've noticed, I think it looks way better on like leather.
Nope.
Alright guys, part 2. I'm gonna dip it in, drop it down really, really softly. Oh my god.
This is not how you should hydro dip, by the way.
Yeah, don't do it like that. We're
This
just
is a lazy way.
My laces are getting wet.
Oh, this one came out good as hell. Wait, don't go so fast. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, we're gonna have diseases by the time this video is done.
All right, take it out. Oh, Oppa Gangnam Style.
What the hell does that mean?
I don't know. It means Chinese. We're gonna let everything dry outside, and then we're gonna see how everything came out, okay? All right, guys. So they have finally somewhat dried up. We waited for almost like 7-8 hours. It is 2 in the morning, and we have to get this video out by tomorrow. So yes, guys, we finally finished, and right now what we're gonna do is start untaping it and see what the final product looks like. So we took off the tape. First off, I do want to show the Vans because this is what we actually wanted to make the video about. So obviously we tried our best. And if you guys think we took the L, please leave a like down below. Let's
L for like.
L for like. So basically this is how it came out. As you guys can see, this was the canvas.
It actually doesn't look bad, but if the product would have actually stuck on the canvas itself, I think it would have looked
exactly.
pretty
As you
sick.
guys can see, this one right here actually has a more glossy finish. We only did the tips just to test it out, and honestly some shoes actually even come like this. Like I've seen other people hydro dip them just the front like that. This one actually came out pretty decent. Like as you can see the pattern a little bit more. At the beginning, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, the first hydro dip we did on these, the skull came out perfect on the front, and then I redid them because it didn't come out in the back, like the green wasn't there. So after I redid
Terrible
them,
idea.
yeah, you can't really see the skull here. But we tried, and honestly, these hydro dipping videos are really, really fun to do, especially when they actually do come out all right. So, guys, that will be it for this video. If you guys want us to do another one and actually have it more professionally done, and, you know, we got to do our research even further.
That this time.
Huh?
We said that this time.
I know!
Anyways.
But just leave a like down below for the fail, okay?
Anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see another video, leave a like below and leave a comment down below what you guys want to see us hydro dip next.
Yes, because there's a lot of films and like a lot of things we can play around with. So let us know down in the comments below. Without further ado, this has been your boy Marco and your boy.
I think I'm gonna go to sleep now.
Peace.
LOL.